Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Green Herd Boxing na maulay ringkat ka jing tray lang bat ke Meghalaya Boxing Association kalas Sdang ya ke Meghalaya Open Men's Invitation Boxing Fight Night haga sauterek unailar ha maulay mauro indoor sports hall. Nalor kinong yakura ka jella lawan ya shimbentaru dakiway pat kinong yakura kathan chatayla mingi kumna Assam Arunachal Pradesh Sikkim bat Nagaland halaki jongki kardan yalekai. Hagani kasngi play layadan lang uba piti pasa video kamaulay sin RD Block kumukongsan. Kumjo uba Roni Walang u District Sports Officer ke East Khasi Hills uba u Mautho ba ji lengdo ba Peter Lamare rang ba shnong maulay mauro ki dekhot ke Meghalaya Boxing Association bat kiway. Yakani karinsan yakura on penkut hagan riutering hagabaki nongjob kenyok pedang daki khusnam pisa yakaba katega senjuk kala penkre nagabanta ki nong yalekai.
Meghalaya Boxing Association who supports this event, and most importantly to our young friends who are anxiously waiting to enter the ring. A very good evening to one and all. At the very outset, I thank the club for this opportunity. Boxing was my first love. I remember I was gifted with a pair of gloves while I was in class 4. That is way back in the year 1986, 87. I worked hard. I practiced well. I wouldn't say I trained well because we had no trainers then. But very unfortunate for me, there was no White Heart or Green Heart club then that would that I can associate with at that time. But anyway, I am here. Thanks for this invite. I'm starting to returning back to my old love, to reunite to the game, not inside the ring, but outside, maybe through working closely with this very organization, with this very club, to promote boxing in the district as well as in the state. As I sit and watch the ring before me, this is a very, very beautiful opportunity. Thank you, members of the club, for providing an opportunity, a space so that we can maybe scout and screen young talents, so that they can use this very platform as a launching pad, so that they can reach a higher level in sports, especially in the field of boxing. When we see the present scenario of sports in our state, I feel that it is no more a far cry for a young athlete, young boxers to dream big. It is possible that they can dream of taking part to represent the state or the country at the national level. Thanks to the opportunity, thanks to the platform that is being provided from time to time.